Hello, my name is Sarah Pirtle. Were there none who were ever discontented with what they have, the world would never reach anything better. No truer words could be spoken by no truer person. Florence Nightingale. She was born May of 1820. She's the reason that our nurses are what we are. She helped create the foundation and set us on the path to greatness that we are today. She's the reason we uphold the standard of care that we do today. She set it all in motion and forged the way for us, and we have just learned and flourished and grown from what she started. So when she was born in 1820, she was born to a family of kind of a higher social class standard. She went against their wishes as well as her social etiquette and social standard to become a nurse. She went against everything and worked hard for her training to become a nurse, and that's what made her great. She continued to try and learn, and she wrote a lot of things. She did a lot of things in her lifetime. In 1859, she actually wrote the Notes on Nursing. That actually has become a core curriculum for nurses in their schooling for the years. This actually became a core curriculum in the school that she started at St. Thomas Hospital July 9th of 1860, just a year later. She set up the School of Nightingale Training School, and that became one of the first nursing schools out there and really has set the standard of care throughout the years. She earned her name, the Lady with the Lamp, actually during the Crimean War. She trained 38 women volunteers to be nurses, and she actually cared for the wounded soldiers during the war. The picture that was drawn of her was a woman holding a lamp, leaning over a wounded soldier in a hospital. And she was known for going through and checking on the soldiers at night with the lamps, and that's actually how she earned her nickname, the Lady with the Lamp. She advocated to have a prefabricated hospital made that could be put together where she was and have an actual hospital for the patients and the wounded soldiers that they were taking care of. And she actually did get this done, and she got the prefabricated hospital that she wanted and the supplies that she needed to take care of these wounded soldiers. So after that, then she came back and she wrote the Notes on Nursing and started up her school whenever she got done. And she's the reason we are what we are today. The Notes on Nursing is actually used not just at the St. Thomas Hospital. It's used in all of nursing schools that were started after that. It's actually what we base our curriculum off of now. We still use some of those core curriculums, and the standard of care was created from that. That's what we have learned from today. And she advocated for patient rights, making sure that they were taken care of the way that they needed to be. Everything. She accomplished so much in her lifetime and fought against everything that social standard was against. She wasn't meant to be a nurse. She went and did it anyway and created this great core basis and foundation for what we are today. And I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that and know the nurse that they've had take care of them or taking care of a family member that they just loved and thought was great, and she's responsible for that, and we have her to thank for a lot of it. Thank you.